So I was tired of my garden hose being all tangled up like this, so I decided to get this garden hose wheel. With this wheel, the hose wraps up nicely inside of that drum, and when you want to use it, all you have to do is pull nice and smoothly. Allows you to water your grass, any plants around your lawn. And this is my favorite part. When you're done, all you do is give it a nice little tug and it reels in nice and smooth. Let me show you how to install it. So you'll obviously will need to install it wherever your outside spigot is. Mine is right here. And I'll just go ahead and say that the installation for this is pretty simple. You will need a drill and a stud finder. It comes with this nozzle, this other nozzle, a mounting bracket, and the actual drum that holds the hose, plus this attachment that you connect to the spigot. What makes the installation easy is this template that will stick onto the outside wall, which allows you to drill the holes exactly where they need to go for the mounting bracket. And for better stability, you'll want to use a stud finder to find a stud for the outside wall to drill the holes into. Once you've got that marked, you could take the backing off of the template and stick it right into place. Make sure it's nice and secure. Then with the drill, you'll drill exactly where it tells you on the template itself. Once you've got all those drilled, you can remove the template. Then take the mounting bracket, make sure that all of the drill holes are lined up, and start screwing in the screws. And if you have a level laying around, you can double check to make sure that it's level before you put in the rest of the screws. And with those heavy duty screws, it's only right for me to say, that ain't going anywhere. Now you can go ahead and grab the drum that has the hose in it, and it should slot nicely into the mounting bracket, just like that. Next will be to attach the hose to the spigot, and you can use that little black tool to make sure it's nice and tight. And the last part is to attach the nozzle, and then we're ready to go. And while the installation of this hose was really easy, what's even easier is actually using it. So all you have to do is tug on it and it automatically retracts back into the drum. It also swivels almost 180 degrees, not quite, but this helps you to get it on multiple sides of your yard. And this specific version that I have is 110 feet. I pretty much can go all the way across the street with this hose. Again, all you have to do is pull it from the drum itself. It automatically will lock, so you can go ahead and water your grass without having any tension. And when you're ready to reel it back in, you just give it a nice little tug and it comes in smoothly like this. So if this is something you've been considering for your yard, I highly recommend it. This is way easier than dealing with all of the hoses and the kinks and it getting tangled. And what I love most about this is the fact that I can give it a nice little tug right here and it automatically retracts back anytime that I'm done using it. Saves a lot of time, a lot of hassle, and I wish I would have done it sooner. Link is down in the description box below if you want to check it out. Thanks again for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.